I challenge myself to find the coolest new Amazon gadgets that are actually useful, not just gimmicks. After analyzing 18 products ranging from $15 to $300, 3 of them stand out as absolute game changers. Love innovative tech? Subscribe, like, and comment below. All product links are in the description. HOTO SNAPBLOQ Mini Electric Screwdriver. Starting with a precision tool that makes phone and laptop repairs incredibly easy. The HOTO SNAPBLOQ comes with 56 magnetic bits and 3 adjustable torque settings, preventing over-tightening damage to delicate electronics. The shadowless LED ring light illuminates tight spaces perfectly. Whether you're fixing a cracked phone screen or upgrading laptop components, this compact powerhouse handles it all. At 250 revolutions per minute with modular magnetic storage, it's the ultimate DIY repair solution for electronics enthusiasts. UGREEN Uno 65W USB C charger. Next up is a charging solution that eliminates cable chaos. The UGREEN 65W charger features 3 ports, including USB-C and USB-A, powered by advanced GaN technology that keeps it incredibly compact. Charge your laptop, phone, and tablet simultaneously at full speed from a single outlet. Perfect for travelers and professionals juggling multiple devices. The built-in display shows real-time charging status. Say goodbye to carrying multiple chargers and hello to streamlined power management that fits in your pocket. Wmcaps Bluetooth beanie with LED light. Here's something perfect for winter. This Bluetooth beanie combines warmth with functionality, featuring built-in wireless speakers and 4 LED lights. Listen to music or take calls hands-free, while the rechargeable LED illuminates your path during evening walks or winter sports. USB rechargeable design means no battery replacements. Ideal for joggers, hikers, dog walkers, or anyone who loves outdoor activities in cold weather. It's the ultimate winter accessory that keeps you warm, entertained, and visible all at once. Divoom TimeBox Evo Pixel Art Speaker. Transform your space with this interactive pixel art Bluetooth speaker. The Divoom TimeBox Evo features a 16x16 LED display controlled via smartphone app, letting you create custom animations, display the time, show notifications, or run retro games. The sound quality punches well above its size, perfect for gamers, streamers, and anyone wanting unique desk decor. Create personalized pixel art, sync with music, or use it as a smart alarm clock. It's not just a speaker, it's a creative canvas for your personality. TWOPAN Magnetic iPhone SSD, 2 terabytes. For content creators, this is revolutionary. The TWOPAN Magnetic SSD attaches directly to your iPhone, enabling 4K 60 frames per second ProRes video recording without storage limitations. 2 terabytes of external storage with built-in cooling fan ensures professional-grade mobile videography. Record hours of high-resolution footage without worrying about running out of space. USB-C PD support means fast file transfers. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or mobile journalist, this turns your iPhone into a legitimate professional camera system worth thousands. EPICKA Hybrid Travel Adapter. International travel just got simpler. This 8-in-1 adapter features 4 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including USB-C PD fast charging, all in a compact foldable design. Works in over 150 countries and is cruise ship approved. Charge your laptop, phone, tablet, and camera simultaneously from one adapter. The detachable design saves luggage space. No more hunting for outlets in hotel rooms or carrying multiple adapters. This budget-friendly solution handles your entire family's charging needs anywhere in the world. Anker USB C Hub 5-in-1. Expand your laptop's capabilities instantly. This Anker Hub transforms a single USB-C port into 5 connections, including 4K HDMI output, 2 USB 3 data ports, and USB-C power pass-through. Plug-and-play simplicity means no drivers needed. Connect external monitors, transfer files at high speed, and keep your laptop charged simultaneously. Essential for remote workers, students, and anyone with a modern, thin laptop. Compact enough to slip into any bag, powerful enough to create a complete workstation anywhere. LeeNabao Smart LED Table Lamp. Simplify your nightstand with this 4-in-1 solution. This smart lamp combines wireless charging, Bluetooth speaker, night light with adjustable colors, and alarm clock functionality. Charge your phone wirelessly while playing music and setting wake-up alarms. all from one elegant device. Perfect for minimalists who want maximum functionality without clutter. The ambient lighting creates perfect bedtime atmosphere. Wake up to your favorite music instead of harsh alarms. One device replaces 4, saving space and reducing cable mess on your nightstand. Hingso compressed air duster. Stop buying disposable air cans. This rechargeable electric air duster delivers 380,000 revolutions per minute of cleaning power with 4 adjustable speeds and LED light for dark areas. Perfect for cleaning keyboards, PC internals, camera equipment, and electronics. The brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance. One purchase replaces years of aerosol cans, saving money and helping the environment. The included nozzles target specific areas. Whether you're a gamer maintaining your setup or a photographer cleaning gear, this pays for itself after just a few uses. LISEN Gooseneck phone holder. Free your hands with this versatile phone mount. The 3rd generation LISEN holder features a flexible gooseneck arm and powerful clamp that secures to desks, beds, or shelves. Perfect for watching content, video calls, or recording hands-free. The upgraded grip holds phones securely at any angle without slipping. Ideal for following recipes in the kitchen, watching shows in bed, or creating content without a cameraman. Adjusts to any position you need. Simple installation, sturdy construction, and universal phone compatibility make this essential. Ticktime Pomodoro Timer Cube. Boosts productivity with physical time management. This hexagon timer cube uses the proven Pomodoro technique. Simply flip to start preset intervals. 6 time options eliminate phone distractions while working. The satisfying physical interaction keeps you accountable. Magnetic base sticks to metal surfaces. Perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone with ADHD seeking focus tools. No apps, no screens, just pure concentration periods followed by breaks. The tactile experience creates ritual around focused work sessions, dramatically improving output quality. Govee RGBIC LED strip lights. Instantly transform any room's atmosphere. These 32.8-foot LED strips feature RGBIC technology, displaying multiple colors simultaneously across the strip. Control via smartphone app or voice commands through Alexa and Google Assistant. Sync lights with music for parties, or create custom scenes for movies and gaming. The included diffuser covers create smooth, professional lighting. Installation takes minutes with strong adhesive backing. Whether upgrading a gaming setup, enhancing home theater ambiance, or adding party vibes, these lights deliver stunning visual effects that wow everyone. Nesugar portable garment steamer. Eliminate wrinkles in seconds. This handheld steamer heats up in just 15 seconds and provides 10 minutes of continuous steam. Lightweight and portable design makes it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups before meetings. Works on all fabric types without causing damage like traditional irons can. The compact size fits easily in luggage. Morning routines become faster when you can steam clothes straight from the closet. No ironing board needed. Professionals, students, and frequent travelers swear by the convenience of instant wrinkle removal, anytime, anywhere. House Gem mug warmer. Never drink cold coffee again. This 36W mug warmer maintains your beverage at the perfect temperature with precise digital display control. Auto shutoff timer ranges from 2 to 12 hours for safety and energy efficiency. The heating plate accommodates various mug sizes, ideal for coffee lovers, tea enthusiasts, and anyone who gets distracted during work. Place your mug down and it stays hot for hours. Simple touch controls adjust temperature precisely. This small luxury makes a huge difference in daily comfort during long work sessions at home or office. MOPUP motion sensor trash can. Upgrade bathroom hygiene with touchless convenience. This 4.5-gallon stainless steel trash can features motion sensor technology that opens the lid automatically. The sleek design complements modern bathrooms, while the pet-proof locking mechanism prevents curious animals from making messes. No more touching dirty lids or dealing with foot pedals. Battery-powered sensor responds instantly. The fingerprint-resistant finish stays looking clean, perfect for bathrooms, bedrooms, or offices where hygiene and aesthetics matter. Small investment that elevates daily routines with hands-free sanitary waste disposal every single time. LISEN 240W4 in one charging cable. Consolidate your charging setup. This 6.6-foot cable supports up to 240 W power delivery with 4 different connector tips, including USB-C and Lightning. Charge everything from phones to high-powered laptops with one cable. The extended length provides flexibility for bed, desk, or car use. Durable braided construction withstands daily wear. Stop carrying multiple cables or searching for the right one. This universal solution handles all devices at maximum charging speed. The high wattage capacity future-proofs your setup as devices demand more power for faster charging capabilities. Tile by Life 360 Slim Tracker. Stop losing important items. This ultra-thin Bluetooth tracker slips into wallets, passport holders, or laptop cases. When something goes missing, use the app to make the tile ring or view its last known location. The Life 360 network helps locate items even when out of Bluetooth range through crowdsourced finding. Works with both iOS and Android. The slim design doesn't add bulk to everyday carry items. Replace the anxiety of losing wallets or keys with confidence that everything important can be located within seconds through your phone. Bril UVC Toothbrush Sanitizer. Protect your oral health with UVC sanitization technology. This portable case uses UV light to eliminate bacteria from toothbrush bristles between uses. The magnetic holder and rechargeable design make it perfect for home or travel. Takes just minutes to sanitize completely. The sleek case doubles as protective storage, ideal for families concerned about bathroom hygiene or travelers wanting to maintain cleanliness standards anywhere. Studies show toothbrushes harbor significant bacteria. This addresses that concern with proven UVC technology in a compact, stylish package that fits any lifestyle seamlessly.